let's see, what else have I gotta do? Oh, I gotta clean my room. I'm so lazy. Amazon. Open Shark.
Welcome to Shark. I can start, pause, find, and dock your robot, and tell you its status and battery level. What would you like to do?
Start.
Which robot?
Baby Shark.
Your robot has begun cleaning.
Oh, thank you. I'm just gonna shit. Today we are reviewing the Shark robotic vacuum. Small shout out to Isabella Prus. I'm really sorry that this review won't have very many cute sounds in it, but the vacuum is pretty good at serenading, if that's any consolation. Alright, I've had this vacuum for about a month now, maybe 3 weeks, and it's pretty good. And the setup process wasn't all that complicated for somebody who is visually impaired. The app was very accessible. So let's get on to the good stuff. Amazon, open Shark.
Welcome to Shark. I can start, pause, find, and dock your robot, and tell you its status and battery level. What would you like to do?
Start.
Your robot name, please?
Baby Shark.
Alright, your robot has started cleaning.
And so it will just take off like this. And the one downside to this robot, it does not go in straight rows. It kind of ping-pongs around, but it is very thorough. It has a very large bumper on the front that detects obstacles, and it doesn't take very much to trigger it, so that's pretty good. And it picks up mainly big stuff, like let's say your kid brother ran through the house with a couple of chocolate chip cookies and tripped over your backpack and dropped them, and then kept going and smeared them all through the house because he stepped on them. It would pick up the larger of those crumbs. But this, like if you came in from outside and you had, let's say I guess you were in your little brother's sandbox or something, and you came in with sand on your shoes, it probably wouldn't get the smaller stuff. Like really tiny particles and really fine stuff, it won't get. You see, it just bumped into me. It was hardly a tap and it moved away. It will carry on like this and go through your entire house. I love this thing. It's the best $300 I ever spent. Oh yeah, it found my shoe. I'm not sure what it's gonna find under there, because like I said, I'm kind of lazy. I didn't pick up the cords. Oh, I think it just found them. Yeah. Come on, get out of there. Oh.
Technical difficulties. Be back.
With the physical part, did you tell it to keep cleaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Alright. And so, yeah, it picks up tiny stuff like that, which is annoying. And it can also get stuck over tiny things. Like right now, it's not happy about something, I think, unless it's returning to its dock.
Returning to battle station.
Okay, I didn't know what my video editor just did, but that's alright. I'm really happy with this, unit. It does kind of ping a little bit sometimes when it's looking for its dock. It doesn't always hit it. There you go, Isabella. You got your cute melodies. Why are you moving, thing?
It went in its dock backwards.
Oh,
Not the smartest. And it'll automatically start charging.
wow. Yep, and it immediately begins to charge once it's sitting on its dock. I'm now going to turn the shark off to show you how easy it is to get the bin out. There's a little switch on the side right here. That's how you turn it off. Oh, shut up.
It turned off.
And then I'll show you the underside of this beast. Sorry if it's a bit dirty, but that's what it's supposed to do. Lovely, my hair. We've got the main beater bar. We have this fuzzy, furry crap. I don't know what it does.
Brushes into the main beater bar.
And then, I was talking about this.
Brushes into the main beater bar.
Oh, okay.
Guidelines.
And then these larger brushes, they go around and sweep larger debris toward the beater bar, I suppose. But there's a little bit of a design flaw here. Sometimes these brushes will come around like that and catch on the wheels. Yeah, it basically sticks itself. It thinks it's stuck on something, but it's stuck on its own brushes. Go figure. Otherwise, I don't have too much trouble with it. Okay, and for those of you who might be interested, I'll describe this thing. Or who can't see it, rather. It's like a giant black disc. It has 3 buttons on the top. Wait a minute, I'll turn it around. There we go. It has one in the center. That is the start, stop.
Clean.
Or is that the clean?
That's clean.
That's clean. Sorry.
Max.
What's the left one? Pause?
Max.
Okay, I don't
Doc.
know what max means.
Max. That's Max. And Doc.
Anyway, but Doc is on the right. Max is on the left. I don't exactly know what Max does.
Hey, phone, we trying to make a YouTube video here.
But anyway, that's really all there is to it. And there's a big giant bumper thing at the rear. It's spring mounted, so, and it squeaks. Oh. Anyway, and then the bin to empty it, there's a little button in the front that you press down, and you have to make sure that when you open it, that you're holding it this way,
Vertically.
because otherwise your refuse will go everywhere. So here is your little bin that comes out of the shark. And inside your bin, you also have a HEPA filter that comes out like this. And also, along with the vacuum, it also comes with a strip of boundary tape and 2 connectors so that you can lock the boundary strip in place. It comes with 8 feet of that stuff. I haven't made use of it yet, just because it's probably very expensive and I'm being frugal about it. Oh, and we have picked up debris. So let me get my lovely can. Alright, sorry, blindy moment. Lost the trash can. Okay, so we have debris. So you just,
Like every other vacuum.
you see how much stuff just from that little short amount of time.
Spank it like you spanked that dinosaur robot.
Spank the robot!
Which is actually this robot right here. One of these 4 dinosaur robots. Video. Thumbnail. I'll show you. I'll put them on in.
Alright, so once you're done with that, the vacuum also comes with a little cleaning tool thing, which I don't have in my possession right now. It's in the box in the closet, but I don't really want to drag it out right now. It will get other smaller particles that can lodge in the brushes and in the HEPA filter. It's like a ghetto blush brush with a ninja looking hook thing on the other end.
Good way to describe it.
That's what it looks like. Anyway, so once you're done emptying your bin and all of that, you just slide this bad boy back in until it clicks in place. Clicks in place. There we go. And you could tell it to go back to its dock, but I don't feel like fighting with that. And this video is long enough already. So I will just stick this bad boy back on.
10 minutes so YouTube can pay you.
Ugh. And the one thing that drives me crazy about this vacuum is the arrangement of the contacts. I have to charge this thing with it turned on because otherwise, if you don't get it exactly seated right, this vacuum goes nuts. If you walk by and jiggle and that thing is not positioned exactly on point, it kind of has a seizure and wants to like stay or regain full contact with the dock. And for those of you who couldn't see, I was like having a twitchy head simulation thing. Anyways, I hope all of you enjoyed this video. My apologies for being away so long. Click the notification bell to subscribe and comment and all of that. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.